favorite weapon system would have to be the 81mm mortar system. The reason why it's my favorite mortar system and my favorite system overall is because the rate of fire that it has, more damage, I would say. It's more effective and a lot more firepower. So it's definitely it's a big gun and it can do a lot of damage.
Alright, so my favorite piece of gear is going to be the 117 Fox. It's reliable, uses SATCOM, VHF, UHF. I had SATCOM up 4 months straight, 24/7, never went down.
We like this vehicle because it makes us amphibious. We could take grunts from naval vessels, take them right off the back of the ship, take them right on land, and wherever they need to go. If they want to assault the beach, we can take them in further so they need to go. We can provide firepower with our automatic 50 cal and grenade launcher.
This is my favorite piece of equipment because I believe this is the MOS that makes the Marine Corps amphibious.
Because we're tractors, you know, we're yak-yazzers. Well, not only do we keep the Marine Corps amphibious, but we got a Mark 19 and a 50 cal and capable of doing anything and everything.